Oh, we are live.
I can't see you. Move
Punta
it
ka, dito,
forward.
dito.
I can't. I'm in the corner.
Here. Okay.
Hello, guys. It's Thursday. As you know, we have our live webinars every Tuesday and Wednesday, 1 a.m. UK time and 5 p.m. MDT or MST, American time. There are a couple of people here that were former firefighters, a vice principal, a former interior designer, a physical therapist. That means that they'll eventually retire, but I hope to see you all there to see what this business is about. You just need to register and sign up in our links.
Yes,
in our
guys.
websites.
Yes. So if you heard what my son was saying, those are ordinary people like you and me,
Changing their lives.
changing our lives for the better. So, pasensya na po kayo. I'm just eating my lunch at the moment because I've been busy tidying up some parts of our room. And nalibang po ako sa paglilinis. Kaya hindi ko na malayan yung oras, past 2 p.m. na po. So, kain po tayo. Simpleng pagkain lang po ito. Ano lang po, salad. Kasi gusto ko maging healthy palagi. Mahirap po magkasakit. So, yun po.
I came from my barista class.
My son came from
barista training.
his barista training because he wants to find
some kind of work.
Some kind of work that
for the business.
Yes.
For the business.
That's right.
You need.
So, for those who are watching us right now, thank you guys. And for those who are going to watch the replay, kindly comment below where you are watching us from. And sa susunod po na live namin, isa-shoutout po namin kayo. So, alam nyo po ang kagandahan sa aming business, tulad po ng palagi nyong naririnig sa amin is, it is flexible. So, even though you are working full-time, you can still do this business because we have our training which is in video form. So, you can do it with whatever time you are available.
Even if you're cooking.
Yes.
Cleaning. Just have it in the background. It will help you go through the training.
Yes. And once your business has been set up, so it will run in automation 24/7, guys. Imagine having your business wherever you are, and while even you're sleeping or working or spending more time with family, that our business is running 24/7. That's why this business is really amazing, guys, and it's been changing so many people's lives in our community, including our life. So, guys, if you are interested to check this out, as what my son told earlier, so you can kindly register your name and email address on our website. Mine is rosellampilocchio.com, and his website
is kirstenampilocchio.com. Just pick one of us and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.
Okay, guys. Thank you for watching and God bless you all. Enjoy your Thursday. Bye.